won't smoke, you ain't got that shit. I've been cruising down the block with a badass bitch, with my mind on the tips and it's lying on my hip. Fuck then I dip, say I'm finna take a trip. You don't really want smoke, you ain't got that shit. I've been cruising down the block with a badass bitch, with my mind on the chips and it's lying on my hip. Fuck then I dip, say I'm finna take a trip.
What's up? As you can tell, it's winter now, and I haven't been able to ride really, so next best thing, film a bike check, like I usually do. So, we'll start top to bottom, and hopefully I remember all the parts this time. So up top, ODI XL grips, black with Odyssey par ends, love them so far. We got Odyssey Super Highway bars, I think 9.5 rise, and then they're 29 wide. They're great bars, no problems. I just wish I left the original sticker on there. Moving down, we have the Shadow Chula stem. I think it's like 52mm rise or reach, one of the two. Odyssey headset, Odyssey R 25 forks. Haven't cut the steer to because you just can add spacers and it works. I swapped tires. I got Demolition, Hammerhead tires, the Street 2.4 variant, and so far they're working good. Odyssey Vander Pro hub or something like that in the front with the Odyssey Hazard Light rim. And I got, fun fact about my pegs, they're shorter than the sleeves, so I'm running 475 Odyssey Graduate sleeves in the front, and well, actually all around they're the same, so it's 475 all the way around, and then the pegs are 4.5 all the way around. So like, I got a little underbite, you know, well, over underbite. Anyways, I have a Colt logo 18C, I think is what they call it. S&M seat post, super long.
That's what she said.
And moving down to the cranks, I got, this chair is really uncomfortable. I got Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, great cranks. I got a Sunday Knox sprocket 28 tooth, Merit P1 pedals. I got those pedals for a certain reason, and after I'm done telling you guys all the parts I have, I'll tell you exactly why I have those pedals. Demolition Hammerhead tires. Again, in the rear I have Odyssey Clutch V2 hub. It has some issues right now. It's like wobbling side to side within the dropouts. And I don't know if it's like an axle problem, but I wish they came in a male axle variant, because then it'd be a lot easier to service and stuff. And then I got a Colt half-link chain, thanks to my boy Trenton, sent me that for free. And then I got a hazard light rim in the rear, and I got some sunlight inner tubes. So yeah, that's the bike check. I'm guessing you guys want to see me ride. Every time I film this, I forget the main sauce. I forget the frame. So I have an S&M Whammo 20.5 frame. I think it's like a 13.3 rear end and then like a 75-degree angle head tube. I don't really care about specs. It just works and it's strong. I got like 2 dents down here somewhere, and then on the other side of the bike, I got a Mutiny Co sticker. Pretty cool sticker. Goes with the bike thing a lot. They're a nice brand. Everything on my bike's pretty good. I'm trying out different parts probably this year. My rear hub and chain are 2 things I really want to figure out, because like that clutch V2, it's just, something's up with it. I don't know what. There's not much else about the bike. It's just a good bike. Basic setup for street. 4 pegs, free coaster, and no brakes.
Fuck the brakes!
Well, anyways, like I said, let's get to riding this thing. Oh. counting that very ugly Smith. Not the tripod. Trust me when I say this, the snow makes every trick 10 times harder. See that? I can usually do more tricks, but the snow really sucks. So, I'm going to do like a G turn 180, and then that'll be it. Now this is the channel update part of the video, so if you don't like just straight talking, there's going to be no more writing, so either watch some old videos, or if this is in the past, watch some new videos, because I bet they're better quality. Now it's time for a little rant. Alright, so for the month of January, I had 4 videos set up, all edited, just ready to go up, so I could be consistent for the start of the month. Well, my computer, like, killed itself, basically. I don't know how. So I lost basically those videos, and now my MacBook won't start up. So I'm not sure how good the videos are going to be in the next few weeks. But until I get that figured out, I had a bike unboxing. Yes, I'm going to spoil it now. I had a bike unboxing, build dirt jumps in a video. Well, anyway, those 2 were the ones I was really excited about, because I had a lot of good editing in there, and it was honestly a good video to watch. But like, those were like my 2 favorite videos I think I've ever made, and it's just whoop, right out the window. Can't watch them. Not even, I can't even go over the footage. It's all on my MacBook that crashed. And when I say my MacBook crashed, there's this like file with the question mark that pops up on the computer screen every time I open it, and it doesn't let me log in or anything. It's just stuck with that file and the question mark blinking. I took it into Geek Squad, and they said that they couldn't do anything because Apple said that they aren't allowed to open their computers. So now I gotta go all the way to Apple with one of my parents, trying to figure it out, and if it doesn't work out, then I'm basically out a $800 computer, and that really sucks, because I know I ain't getting a computer for a while if this one's toast. And I'll have to edit everything on my phone, and that's no fun, because my phone hardly works in some areas, but yeah, it's just to update you guys. And the reason I said I got these pedals, they're all covered in ice now because I just rode, but I got those pedals because on the dirt jump videos, I had the best crash ever. We're kind of at a standstill for that, but as of recording this is a day I'm supposed to be painting my room, doing online learning for school because it's Martin Luther King Day, but we still have school for some stupid reason. So I shouldn't even be making this video right now, but I wanted to get a video out like every week. And since I'm kind of at a standstill with my laptop and stuff, I want to know what videos you guys want to see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Still have to edit it all and upload it all today, so might be a few hours late in the video, but people that stick around, I respect you. You guys keep my watch time up. I appreciate it. To the ones who don't watch it all, they won't get to know this about me. I love pancakes. I forgot to mention I'm almost at 200 subscribers, so if you guys could like tell your friends to subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. My goal for the end of January is to hit 200, so it'd help very much. Thank you for watching the video. ABV BMX.